J-75933-2. This is video number 4, being taken after doing extensive chain knocking and reaming of the piping to chase out heavy scale and other debris. We're accessing the drain through the 4-inch clean-out tee underneath the kitchen sink drain. We're looking at the flow of the main, or the main connection right now. Right there. As we back up, we're entering into the clay lateral. We don't have any water flowing this time, so we can observe all of the physical characteristics of the piping. Transition from clay to 4-inch cast iron. Black there is right on the short section of cast iron that connects to the clay, as we can see. Likely the black is the pipe wall after some organic matter has been removed. Going up what appears to be possibly a 45-degree offset to a shallower depth. Pipe through this section has a lot of visible pitting. Possibly a thin spot on the bottom right there at 81 feet. Also the bottom of the pipe, looks quite eroded. Here appears to actually be a hole in the bottom of the pipe, possibly looking at stone on the bottom there. Leveling out to the top of the offset at 82. Currently we're at 82 feet. The bottom left appears to be rather jagged, pitted. It's very dark looking, so it's hard to really see. some rough spots off on the bottom left corner there. Still, the bottom left appears quite irregular, jagged. Some debris remaining, also kind of a lumpy mass on the bottom left. Suspect possibility of some lead overpour at different segments of this drain pipe system. So we have some remaining debris sitting around, along with on the bottom left corner of the screen there, some masses. Possibly suspect them to be lead overpour. Yet to be fully determined, really. They look somewhat silvery. Some more lumps visible there on the bottom left. Again, another lumpy mass. Another little lumpy silvery mass there on the bottom left. It's right at a joint here. Again, possibly some lead overpour. Relatively smooth, continuous piping at this point. A lumpy mass on the bottom left there, 57. A little bit irregular on the bottom left. All the dark surfaces are areas where organic buildup likely was and has been removed. The rusty red portions are originally exposed pipe. A little bit of a lumpy mass there at that joint on the bottom left. access on the left side of the screen, 30. We have a Y connection on stack. That's the main cleanout located right by the foundation wall towards the street side of the basement. Immediately behind that is another Y heading to an unknown use. Here we have another Y on the upper right, which we know is going over to the half bath stack and laundry tub drain. Slightly lumpy on the bottom left area there. Mass there, 14, bottom left. Going up the base of the kitchen drain stack. Access through the kitchen stack, 2-inch PVC coming in, 2-inch copper, 4-inch cast iron going in.